Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reviewing the new Toshiba Air Purifier with UV light sanitation and smart so you can use it with Alexa. This is a large capacity, which is great for large rooms. Let me tell you about all its features. I had researched the internet and contacted Toshiba to sponsor this video because I really needed an air purifier because we've had all the California wildfires, but mainly because of the coronavirus. I really wanted my air in my house to be purified. I run a busy household. There are sometimes people have to come in my house, and I wanted my air as clean as possible. In this video, I'll explain why you want to use them all over your house, even in your kitchen, and what benefits Toshiba purifiers bring you, as I believe they're the best. This is the Toshiba Air Purifier CAF W36 USW. It comes with an instruction manual, and in that instruction manual, it shows how to replace the filter after maybe a year's time. When I took it out of the box, it's just like you see here in this room. It didn't need any setup. It already had the filter in it. I have been filming this video with the air purifier on low. Now I want you to hear what it sounds like when it's on medium. It'll rise up to that level. Let's hear high. And that's what it sounds like on high. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to put it back to low. It's a very easy to understand face of the purifier. When you need to replace a filter, a green light will flash here. One of the most exciting features about this Toshiba air purifier at this time is its ability to do a UV light sterilization. It is more important than ever with the coronavirus to sterilize the air in your household. You might have a busy household with lots of people coming in and out, a big family. This UV light sterilization of your air is a key feature of Toshiba's air purifier. Toshiba also makes it as a smart device to connect with your Wi-Fi so you can use it with Alexa and Echo. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to set it up with Amazon Alexa. Air purifiers remove pollen and dust and allergens out of the air. They also remove pet odors, so if you have that fluffy dog, it'll remove that odor too. And we know that pets can be messy. Air purifiers also trap tobacco and cigarette smoke, so if there's a smoker in your household, you really need one of these. I live on the West Coast, and the western states have been filled with fire smoke. I recently did a road trip and went all around California. There wasn't anywhere in California for some time that had good quality air. I've gone through many California wildfires living here in Santa Barbara, California. And when it's smoky, we're even advised to wear N95 masks. With possible climate change, we might have many months of the year where we really need an air purifier just to be breathing in our own homes. Air purifiers trap airborne particles, even asbestos, that causes mesothelioma, all types of impurities. And for people in your household that have allergies or congestion, it so helps with that. Sleeping with them in a bedroom is the best thing you can do if you have any kind of breathing condition. I have many bedrooms in my house. It's perfect to keep the air purifier next to the bed. Ideally, leave your air purifier all the time on in the bedroom, so when you go to sleep at night, your air will be clear and clean all night long. You want your air purifier to suck in the air and then emit the clean, fresh air above it. So don't place it under a bookshelf. Make sure it's free and open in your room. And let me tell you more features of the Toshiba Smart Air Purifier. It has a large 26-inch purifier filter that filters air at a maximum speed, and it's great for medium and large rooms. I use it in my big family room. It looks great in that room, and it cleans all that air. It'll clean up to 222 square feet. It has a CADR rating for dust at 145, pollen at 228, and smoke at 143. And the quiet operation at 32 decibels makes it really easy to sleep with. You don't even hear it. I could have cranked it up for a gentle white noise at night if I wanted to. And the UV light in this Toshiba air purifier will kill flu, staph, and rhinoviruses, which is what the coronavirus is. And of course, if you know me, one of my most favorite places to use my Toshiba air purifier in the house, I have many of these, is in my kitchen. Sometimes I burn things. And sometimes that onion is just a bit smelly. Let me show you how easy this is to set up with Alexa. So go to your Alexa app. So go to your More button, press Add a Device, scroll down, and add Air Purifier. Press that. What brand is your air purifier? Well, Toshiba, of course. Press Next. Yes, it may access my camera. Press Next. And then it asks you to find the barcode, which is on the back of your Toshiba air purifier. Right there. So I'm going to press Scan Barcode. So let's go find it. with our camera. It's going to say, looking for my Toshiba Air Purifier. Make sure my device is on. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until you hear the beeps. It may take up to 2 minutes for this part of setting up to Alexa. And then it starts connecting to your air purifier. It wants me to select my Wi-Fi network. It's Butterfly. Now it's connecting my Toshiba Air Purifier to my Butterfly network.
I found First Air Purifier, and you can control it by saying, turn on First Air Purifier.
Turn on First Air Purifier. Next. I'm going to choose this group. This is my kitchen air purifier. Add to that group. It's my first air purifier added to my kitchen. Yay! It's ready! Done, chum. Kitchen. What an easy setup. Alexa, turn on my air purifier.
Okay.
Alexa, turn my air purifier on high.
Okay.
Voila! I love it when things turn out so easy, and Toshiba really makes that for American households. Thank you, Toshiba, for sponsoring this video. Click the link below to get your own air purifier. Alexa, turn the air purifier down to low. Click that link and get your Toshiba Air Purifier to help you in these crazy times. Whether it's the virus, germs, dust, pollen, or smoke in the air, this purifier is what every household needs. I'm Rebecca Brand. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. Like recipes to have really good air for health purposes. Yay! Back on high she goes. Whew. If you like this video, here's some more you might like on wonderful things for your household.